Rebuilding gearboxes with Gear World. Rebuilding a Seimens Sumitomo Paramax gearbox. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button down below. This gearbox was brought to our shop because it had failed. In addition, the customer wanted us to remove the coupling, which required a custom modification to the gearbox. This gearbox was run for a long time without proper maintenance, so disassembly proved to be difficult but not impossible. Once the gearbox was open, we could see damaged, chipped gear teeth. The coupling was also worn, but this didn't matter because we were removing it anyway. After sandblasting and painting the gearbox, we reinstalled the new gears and the new reverse fitting and keyway. This gearbox is now ready to be shipped back to a satisfied client. And that's how it's done.